I'm back. I wanted to share just really quickly some of the goodies I got from Dior, and I'm really excited. So I wasn't going to share this because I'm doing a larger video that I really want to show off some other things because, you know, it all needs to come together. So anyway, I already bought this thing, and I have such amazing friends. So I bought this for myself. I guess I can at least go ahead and show you this to show you overall why it was so special. My friend, she just added on, and you know, I'm really still very early, like in adding to upgrade my homeware, my home goods. So I wanted to show you all there. All that good stuff. But what happened was, Lily of the Valley. The Lily of the Valley collection from Dior. Right. So I'm like, you know, I'm just trying to do some things. I want to do some things with some, you know, I don't want to give my next video away, but I just felt like this is so beautiful, so I had to have it. So I'm gonna take it out just so you can see how it all comes together. But I wasn't gonna do an unboxing, but I was like, I have to now because it's part of a larger set, part of a larger story. But I wanted to share. You buy this at Dior, you're actually have to buy these separately. It's going to be fragile here, very fragile, but packaging here is so much better than what I got on the store. And I remember the first one was Dior, and they were wrapping my stuff up for me. It was kind of like, oh, let me go back and let me make sure everything's Dior quality. So this is the type of girlfriends I have. Thanks, girlfriend. Girlfriend. Let's see if this is everything I want. Maybe she surprised me. That's why the soft life. That's why everything has to be done with care, because we have porcelain. Everything's porcelain. We have ceramics and porcelain. China. All that for this. So that's that. Because we also have marble floors and porcelain and ceramics and fine china and goldware. We don't do silverware. We don't do silverware. We do goldware. We don't do silverware around these malls. I don't know if it's the same cup. The cappuccino. So sweet. Everything's from the Lily of the Valley collection. So that's that. Okay. Like it's like you gotta have very nice energy when you live this lifestyle. This lifestyle is making me even speak softer. I've been talking a lot with some of my other friends lately about the valuing of friendship and people in general, but I work in the professional services industry, so got 2 gold stars today. And just talks about, like, do people really value? So this friend, she did something to show her token of appreciation and value for me and what I've done for her over the years. And sometimes you're like, oh, you noticed. And I want to be honest, I think people always notice. I think people have always noticed. A lot of people cannot accept when you are just pure goodness. Some people cannot accept how amazingly good you are. All that wrapping for this baby. Give me my porcelain. Give me my porcelain. Lily of the Valley collection. I learned to, part of the soft life is moving a little bit slower and a little bit more patience in life because I'm high energy, so my heart rate is going pitty patter. I'm gonna do a shot, an espresso, cappuccino. So thank you to my girlfriend. Now I have another complete set, and you see it came in 2 separate boxes, just to show. So of course somehow these boxes are within themselves so beautiful. So I will probably find something really cool to place them. Women that know the secrets, we keep our boxes in our bowls and boxes especially. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And I can't wait to, this was just supposed to be a part of a larger video, but I just saw the packaging. I was like, I just wanted to share just something beautiful with you all today. I'm in the middle of the day. I got all kinds of things going on, and I just thank you so much for taking time to just stop by and check out a little bit more about what I'm talking about. And I'll see you all later, and hopefully you'll see these again, part of a larger video. So thank you, and I hope you would like and follow and share and be a part of what I got going on over here, because it's all coming together. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for tuning in. Ciao.